OnePlus OxygenOS 17 is widely anticipated as the next major software upgrade for OnePlus devices, expected to launch alongside the OnePlus 16 series in late 2026, likely around August, September following OnePlus's typical release cadence. Building on its reputation for combining smooth performance with clean, user-friendly design, OxygenOS 17 is expected to introduce deeper AI integration, offering smarter system suggestions, context-aware actions, and enhanced on-device tools that improve daily productivity without sacrificing privacy. Users may see refinements to the notification system, multitasking features, and customization options, including more dynamic themes, adaptive icons, and intuitive gestures that make navigation faster and more fluid. Gaming and performance modes are also expected to get upgrades, with better heat management, resource allocation, and optimized display responsiveness for high frame rate experiences. Additionally, OxygenOS 17 is likely to bring expanded cross-device connectivity, improved privacy dashboards, and more robust widget capabilities, reinforcing OnePlus's focus on personalization and speed. Overall, this update aims to keep OnePlus competitive in the flagship Android space by blending refined design with intelligent features that enhance both power users' workflows and everyday smartphone experiences.